This is the brain. In the brain, there are four main lobes, including the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. And then there is cerebellum and brain stem. The brain stem is composed of three sections in descending order, which include the midbrain, pons, and medulla. The frontal lobe is at the front. Think of a steering wheel in front driving the behavior, as this have motor control, decision making, and the problem solving. This is the lobe of brain where the Broca area is present, which is located at the posterior inferior frontal gyrus and is composed of Brodmann area 44 and Brodmann area 45, which control the production and expressive speech, aka speaking. The parietal lobe is on the top. Think of a little person sitting on top of the brain observing, as this is what controls spatial cognition, which means it helps you to understand that where you are in relation to the world around you. This lobe of brain also control visual perception, and it intake and process information from the all five senses. The temporal lobe is on the side by the ear, and its placement can help you remember that this control auditory processing. This is also where the short-term memory is kept, and it is the lobe where the Wernicke's area is present, located on the posterior segment of superior temporal gyrus, which is composed of Brodmann area 22 and is involved in language comprehension, aka understanding the speech. The occipital lobe is in the back of brain. Think of two eyes on the back of head looking through, as this is what control the sight and the visual interpretations. Below the occipital lobe in the back is the cerebellum, which is responsible for balance, posture, and enable precise and smooth voluntary movements. Next to the cerebellum is the brain stem, that is the tube shape and connect the brain to the spinal cord, and it is composed of midbrain, pons, and medulla. Think of it as a core functioning controlling the lungs, heart, blood pressure, and digestion. The brain stem sits on the top of spinal cord, which is made up of nerve cells and consists of gray and white matter. It has 31 pair of spinal nerves, which is made up of a motor root and a sensory root, and each spinal nerve supply a specific area of skin called dermatome. These spinal nerves correspond to the 31 spinal segments, which consist of 8 cervical segments, 12 thoracic segments, 5 lumbar segments, 5 sacral segments, and 1 coccygeal segment. The main function of spinal cord is to carry messages between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system.